So in this video we are going to be doing shoulders for bowlers, and the shoulders so you guys don't get injured. And so I'll show you 3 exercises with the barbell you can do to prevent injury when you bowl. And so let's get right into it. And so the first one is a front raise with the barbell. You could either do a close grip or you can go a little bit wider, and make sure you are standing shoulder width apart and grab the bar. And if you guys aren't capable of doing the bar, then make sure to find a lighter one. You can also use like a PVC pipe if you have one as well, if you guys can't do it with the weight yet. And that's okay as well. And then just work your way up. And so we are just going to do 3 sets of 10 and for each of these. And you're just going out in front. For a front raise, you just go front and down. And then we are going to be doing a next exercise, which you guys can take a break in between if you need to. And I'm just going to show you what the next one is. Go a little bit wider and put it up to your chest and just press up. It's that simple. Just press up over your head and do 10. And then if you guys can, instead of do the same thing as a squat, just put the bar on your back and hold it. And yes, your shoulders might be tight while doing this, and that's okay. And just push up and back down. Up. Make sure you don't go all the way back down. And then make sure you guys are taking a break in between and do 10 of those for all 3 exercises. And you guys shouldn't have a problem when you guys are going out for bowling. These are the same ones I use, so you guys can also use them. And so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And if you guys are looking for more content, also you guys should share this video as well, because it might help other people who are bowling. It doesn't matter if you're new to bowling or an expert at bowling. You guys can use these exercises because I feel like they help, and they might help you guys. But always remember, none of the exercises will always help everybody. So just make sure of that, and just make sure that you guys are doing exercises that help with the shoulders so you guys don't get injured. So, see you guys in the next one.